guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm back to Angola. Currently at the mall. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I just finished doing some shopping for the trip that I have. Hey guys, so I just came back from the mall. I think the previous clip I got distracted by some guy. He was following me, so I just had to walk fast, but yeah, I eventually lost track of him, or he lost track of me, whatever. But yeah, I am home now. Just ate. I was hungry. I was so hungry, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I keep looking at myself and I forget that I need to look into the camera. But anyways, yeah guys, I'm dedicating this year to opening myself up to new people, making new friends, having new experiences. I feel like I spent the most of last year, well, the entire year actually, closed off. And like I said in that life update, that I'm very scared to open up myself to people, especially making new friends. So I don't make friends easily, but this year I told myself that I would just conquer my fear and just go for it. But anyways, yeah, just got home. Let me show you guys what I got from the mall. I'm not gonna do what's this, I'm not gonna fit the stuff that I bought. I think you guys will see me wear these things during the getaway, vacation, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let me show you guys what I got. This bag, I got a toiletry bag. Got this toiletry bag, super cute. And then from Mr. Price, I got the selfie stick tripod thingy majiggy from my friend. This was 150. The initial price was, let me take it out. The initial price was 170, but one thing about me, I will negotiate. Okay, and I got it for 150. Hey man, yeah, this is what it looks like. You can also open up here, and then it has 3 legs. You can take this out and use it as a Bluetooth thingy. You can, I'll show you guys properly, I don't know when, but I'll show you. Then I also got a journal. I've always wanted to get a journal, especially now that my days are a bit busier, so needed to get this journal. I also need to get one for Bible study, because this is what she looks like inside. It's basically a planner, and I love it so much. Jen, I'm already late. And this is what's inside. Priorities, don't forget, notes, to plan out your days, and it has special dates, reminders. I love it so much, Kesana. Love it. Monthly plan, speed bumps, highlights, takeaways I'm grateful for. I also went to Clicks. These are the items that I got from Clicks. I got gum, also got hand lotion, and then I also got bar soap from Dove. First, I got these leggings that I plan on wearing. These are actually thick. Hey, this material, thick Gesana. What is happening to my quality? But yeah, I plan on wearing these when we leave, which is on Thursday. And then I got this cover up that I'm gonna wear. I know it looks like a kitten right now. It looks like a kitten, but it's not. This was actually super cheap. Why is this not focusing? Not me tapping this and hoping that it will focus. But yeah, this was 200 and then I got it for 140. I'm gonna wear this on the, what's this, on the boat cruise. And that's it, you guys. That's all I got. I have a lash appointment on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. I have a lash appointment on Thursday at Togo Hair and Tonton Salon to get a lash fill. I don't know how to feel about them, but I'll tell you guys. I'll tell you guys properly what I feel about them on Thursday. But yeah, over mind, I think I'm going to take a nap. Nothing new. And then after taking a nap, I'm gonna start coding. I had a deadline that I missed, so I need to catch up. I don't think I'm gonna sleep tonight. I need to catch up because I won't be here the entire weekend, so I need to make up for that, like right now before I leave. So yeah, I will catch you guys tomorrow, I think, or Thursday when I go do my lashes. See you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. I would highly appreciate it if you guys did that. We're on the road to 1K subbies. I know we're on 560 something, but hopefully we should get to 1K by June. I just woke up. Actually struggled to sleep last night. I was just feeling anxious about, today. Also, I have period pains. My period started yesterday, in the afternoon, and yeah, period pains just started last night. Couldn't sleep, struggled to sleep, feeling anxious, like, but I do have everything packed already. I have everything that I need. My lashes are done. My nails are still okay. I did my toenails yesterday. My hair's still fine. So yeah, but it's my birthday. It's my friend's. Oh well, it was my friend's birthday 2 days ago. Was it 2 days ago? It was on Wednesday. Today's Friday. And so for the weekend we're going to Hardy's. Just to celebrate her birthday as friends, as a machita, nothing hectic. This is the first trip as a machita that's making it out of the group chat. I know. But yeah. So yeah, I will basically be vlogging the entire time. I'm gonna start getting ready, I think in like an hour, or yeah, in an hour. Guys, I'm so down bad. I need to start drinking ASAP. Because what is this? What are these pains? I need to start drinking. I can. That's the only thing that's gonna make me feel better. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. I think I'll catch you guys on my way to our meeting point, which is my friend's salon, aka the salon that I'm the brand ambassador for, Royal Grey Salon, period. That's where we're all meeting, and then it transports us to Talapo and take us to the venue. So we're waiting for the transport, and this is everyone. That's Kiki, that's Dimakatso, that's Dineo, that's Ele, that's Tabi. Say hi, Kiki. Yes, birthday girl. Simple. Yeah. Yo, guys. There is drama, but I'll tell you guys when we get to the place, because I'll be trailing that side. It's a lot. But I'll tell you guys when you arrive. It's even past 3 o'clock and we're still here by 3 p.m. And we're only about to go buy food and alcohol right now, and it's so late. But yeah, I'll tell you guys why we're late when we get to the place. Because there's nothing else to do at this point. Hey guys, so we have stopped at a petrol station to get some snacks and like pour petrol. I am so much in pain right now. Okay, but yeah, we got the cake. This is what the cake looks like. Let me show you guys. 24 yes, period. By, I think it's called Birdie Cakes. Yeah, that's her Instagram, and yeah. Oh. It's a lot. At the liquor store. Finally, my life is rosy. Any right? House tour. This is the living room. Okay, that's the kitchen. Hi, Tabi. Okay, this is the scullery, fridge, and this is the first bedroom. Cute. A mirror. And this is the first bathroom. Nice shower. And this, I guess this is the master bedroom. Cute. No, I don't know what this is, child. In here we have, oh, this is the master bedroom. Cabin space, the ensuite, nice shower, nice sized room. It's cute. Nice chairs. Purr. Is that all? No. Yeah. What's in here? Okay. Nice chilling area outside. That's what she has. Still have to go fetch other people from the gate. And I'll explain what happened after like a bit later, but over mind like it's just 11. But we're home for the weekend. We're safe. That was great. Even though it took us 1 million hours to get here, to get through security on the gate, and in the end, yeah. We're taking shots. Please take it now. Yeah. You're right. We're ready. Yeah. She's like, I'm gonna give you another one. Yeah. Wait, hold on. What's your name, Villa? Vuyiembuyisa. Yes, my Villa. Look at this house, it's so fancy. Okay, I'm done. Okay, my turn. My turn. Everybody gets a shot. I think they need 2 shots. They need 2 shots. Yeah. All of it. Babi. Bon. Okay, they're not in here. Shot, but then you deserve 3 shots. No, yes. I haven't eaten the whole cake. No. I last ate at 9 p.m. last night. Drink up. Bottoms up. Thank you. Tayo sisiyas pela. It just happened.
Hi, my name is Daniela and this is my first drink of the night. Hi, my name is Makato and this is my first drink of the night.
It's so bad. This is my 3rd drink of the night. It is. Where is my drink? Actually, I think it was my kind of stuff. Yeah, I want to start this.
Hi, my name is Sally and this is my the 3rd drink of the night.
Hi, bossy. Let's talk for sure.
Hi guys.
Wait, yeah.
Veg.
Once we started.
Oh my god. I'm shy. Okay, my name is Bubu and this is my 2nd drink of the night.
Okay. Kiki. Kiki. Once we started.
Hi everyone, this is Kiki and this is my 2nd drink.
Yes.
I'm in a net down.
No, but why
My sister.
the way I'm so done, guys. Like, these girls are still trying to play drinking games, and like, I just want to sleep. At this point, honestly, like, It's not even 11 p.m. yet, but I'm really done. I think it's because like we had a very long day, and everyone's just tired. Mostly, I'm tired. I still have period pains. I had like 3 bottles of brutal food, and I'm really done. Also, like the pain medication I'm taking for my period pains makes me drowsy as well, and I'm drinking alcohol. So surely that's not good. Surely that's causing the sleepiness. So I think I'm gonna sleep soon. Like grind, hey, grind. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So it's the morning after and I'm so tired. I'm really tired. I'm so tired. I think we also like need to start getting ready because there's like 8 of us, right? There's 8 of us and there's only 2 bathrooms. So I think people need to start getting ready. I know my face takes like 30 minutes max, so I'm not too worried about time, Just need to shower. Also, we need to start like making breakfast. It's actually low shedding right now, so we need to start making breakfast. When the power comes back, and then after that we need to start preparing the meat for later on because we're planning to have a braai, but I'm not seeing a braai stand, so I don't know how that's gonna work. But yeah, let me show you guys the place from outside. It's so nice here. I like that you have the view of the mountain, right? It's so serene, so eerie, so like it's so zen. It's so nice. Let me show you guys.
Money,
That's the garage.
got a cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, pop it, sipping acorn, reach.
Straight goopy. Yeah, we're going to the pool. One thing about these girlies, like they can't keep time. And we have the boat cruise like scheduled for 4 p.m. It's already like 1 p.m. and then we're trying to go to the pool as well. Like green. But yeah, I have my swimwear underneath. I'm like a poop for the culture, period. Honestly, I'm just tired. I'm really tired. But I feel much better now. Like the period pains are gone, so that's good. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Or like get ready in the meantime for the boat cruise, and then yeah. Cause honestly, like no. But this is this is the swimwear I was going to wear. It's a one piece. It's a one piece. I'm probably gonna take pictures outside by myself.
Surf, pop up, hurt,
What's the idea?
smurf, lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, chrome heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, hey, money,
Lie down to sit down there. Don't worry.
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry. You can make your way to him there.
Okay.
Water, your bitch.
Thank you.
Wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, Michael, hey, wait.
Me, yo. What is that?
Those big ass stands.
See, I've been watching you for a while. You smile and stuff. Wanna know if I can be with you for the night. Is that alright?
I was supposed to ask that.
We can take a step to see if this is really what I be. All you gotta do is say yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't do
This is your moment. Take a shot for me.
just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel. Let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so.
Yes.
I don't know if house to life stability, financial period. Blessings to know as well. Period. Yeah, let's pull out.
Pull out. Yo.
Yeah.
We're back home. We're back home. We're making food now. I'm so hungry. Super hungry. The boat cruise was nice, even though we got there almost 45 minutes late. But it was a great experience. It was nice. It was good. We had a good time. Chef's kiss. Loved it. And now we're back home. We're making food actually. We're supposed to have a bride, but so we're just putting the meat in the oven and yeah. I'm so hungry. But anyways, we're still chilling. We're still good. We're still fine as if. So far sweet, my winner. So far sweet, so far sweet.
Irena.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. So, it's the day after. It's Sunday today. And we're leaving today. You know, aren't you tired? Aren't you tired? Yeah? Everyone's tired. Yeah? Oh, we had a time yesterday. We had a time. A time. Catch up with you guys later though. I don't think I'm hungry. That's weird. Also, I'm not hungover. That's also weird. Hi, vloggies. Not vloggies. Hi, people. Something. Not vloggies.
You must give your people a name.
You, not you again. Here you go. See you guys later. Packed and ready to go. So we're about to leave, guys. I don't understand what the girls are still talking about because we need to leave.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for hold up. Lord is flower bound firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love. Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves.
I'm buying Pela. Oh.